Welcome back to Kitchendaze, where we explore home kitchen inspiration for every style and space. Today, we're diving into two timeless design approaches, Industrial and Craftsman, and how they work beautifully in small kitchens. Whether you're planning a remodel or just looking for fresh ideas, this video is packed with inspiration. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite detail from today's designs. Your support helps us bring even more kitchen ideas to you. Now, let's get started and see how industrial and craftsman styles can transform even the smallest kitchens into highly functional and stylish spaces. Industrial style takes its cues from factories and loft spaces, featuring raw materials and unfinished textures. Think exposed brick, metal shelving, and utilitarian lighting. It's a look that embraces imperfections while still feeling purposeful. In a small kitchen, industrial design can add character without overwhelming the space. Compact layouts benefit from its clean lines and straightforward approach. It's about making the most of limited square footage with a focus on durability. The beauty of industrial style is that it doesn't require everything to match perfectly. Mixed metals, reclaimed wood, and concrete can coexist to create a layered yet cohesive look. Craftsman kitchens focus on handcrafted details, natural materials, and timeless design. Expect to see warm wood cabinetry, simple hardware, and a strong sense of function meeting beauty. In smaller kitchens, the Craftsman style works because it emphasizes practicality and balance. Storage is thoughtfully designed, and every detail is intentional, from trim work to built-in shelving. This style brings a sense of warmth and coziness, perfect for smaller spaces where you want a welcoming and grounded atmosphere. Industrial kitchens thrive on materials like steel, concrete, and exposed wood beams. In a compact kitchen, this often translates into metal shelving, concrete countertops, or pipe-style support. Using these raw finishes keeps the space feeling authentic, but pairing them with clean cabinetry helps prevent a cluttered look. Balance is key when space is limited. A popular choice for small kitchens is a stainless steel backsplash. It's reflective, easy to clean, and fits perfectly into the industrial aesthetic. Craftsman kitchens lean into natural woods like oak, cherry, or maple, often finished in warm tones. Cabinetry is typically sturdy with inset panels and clean trim. For countertops, granite or butcher block are popular, offering durability with natural charm. Small kitchens especially benefit from the inviting textures of wood, which make the space feel less tight. Tile backsplashes, often in earthy tones or handmade finishes, complete the craftsman palette, adding subtle depth without overwhelming. Both styles succeed when efficiency is prioritized. In small spaces, it's essential to think vertically, making use of upper walls and tall cabinetry. Industrial layouts often incorporate open shelving, which keeps essentials accessible and reduces the need for bulky cabinetry. This can make a narrow kitchen feel more open. Craftsman layouts typically emphasize built-in storage. Every cabinet, drawer, or nook has a clear function, helping small kitchens stay clutter-free and organized. Lighting plays a huge role in achieving the industrial aesthetic. Think exposed bulbs, metal pendants, and cage fixture. In a small kitchen, these lighting choices add boldness without taking up much space. A row of pendant lights above a counter doubles as both illumination and design statement. Matte black or brushed steel finishes enhance the factory-inspired atmosphere while maintaining a clean, modern feel. Craftsman lighting tends to be warm and understated, often with stained glass details or simple lantern-style fixtures. For smaller kitchens, these lights provide a soft, welcoming glow that complements the natural wood elements and creates a sense of comfort. The goal is to make the kitchen feel like the heart of the home, with lighting that emphasizes warmth and functionality rather than boldness. Industrial kitchens often stick with neutral shades, grays, blacks, whites, and metallics. Pops of color come through in accessories or accent pieces. In a small kitchen, this restrained palette prevents the space from feeling crowded. It creates a cohesive, streamlined look that expands the perception of space. A simple accent wall of exposed brick can add depth and interest without overwhelming the design. Craftsman color schemes favor earthy tones, warm browns, soft greens, and muted golds. These shades reinforce the connection to nature. In a compact kitchen, these tones bring coziness and warmth, making the space feel inviting rather than restrictive. Combining wood cabinetry with a muted tile backsplash ensures a balanced look that doesn't feel heavy. Small kitchens need smart storage solutions, and industrial style handles this with creativity. Open shelving, wire baskets, and magnetic strips for utensils are all common. These options keep everything within easy reach while enhancing the raw, functional vibe of the style. For tighter spaces, wall-mounted racks or pegboards offer storage without sacrificing counter space. Craftsman storage leans toward built-in cabinetry with thoughtful compartments. Pull-out shelves, deep drawers, and specialized inserts are all part of the design. In a small craftsman kitchen, these built-in details maximize storage without adding clutter. Everything has a place. The cabinetry itself becomes a statement of craftsmanship, blending function with beauty. Appliances in an industrial kitchen often feature stainless steel finishes. They blend seamlessly with metal accents and maintain the utilitarian feel. In small kitchens, compact or multifunctional appliances work especially well, keeping the space efficient and uncluttered. The goal is to maintain a professional, practical atmosphere while maximizing every inch of the room. Craftsman kitchens often incorporate appliances that complement wood cabinetry rather than compete with it. Paneled fronts or neutral finishes are common. Smaller kitchens benefit from this blending technique because it keeps the design consistent and cohesive. The focus remains on craftsmanship and natural beauty, with appliances integrated subtly into the overall design. Flooring in industrial kitchens often includes polished concrete, stone, or wide plank wood with a worn finish. These surfaces are durable and low maintenance. In small kitchens, a concrete floor can reflect light and make the space feel larger, while still keeping the aesthetic authentic. Adding a simple rug in a neutral or geometric pattern softens the look without disrupting the style. Craftsman kitchens often feature hardwood floors, sometimes with rich stains or natural finishes. This flooring brings warmth and ties into the natural materials used elsewhere in the design. For smaller kitchens, the consistent wood grain elongates the room visually. Stone tile in muted colors is another option that keeps the craftsman aesthetic while adding durability in high-use areas. Some homeowners choose to blend industrial and craftsman elements for a personalized look. For example, pairing craftsman cabinetry with industrial lighting creates a balance of warmth and edge. In smaller kitchens, mixing styles allows for flexibility. You can bring in the cozy charm of craftsman while enjoying the practicality of industrial. The key is restraint. Too many competing elements can overwhelm a small space, but a few well-chosen combinations create harmony. You don't need a massive budget to achieve these looks. Industrial style can be created with DIY open shelving, painted cabinets, or affordable metal fixtures. For craftsman kitchens, refinishing wood cabinets, adding simple trim, or upgrading hardware can capture the style without a full remodel. Small kitchens especially benefit from thoughtful, budget-friendly upgrades since every detail stands out. That wraps up our look at Industrial and Craftsman small kitchens. We hope this gave you plenty of ideas for transforming your space into something both functional and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching Kitchendaze today. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment sharing which style speaks to you the most. We'll be back soon with more home kitchen inspiration. Until then, happy cooking and designing.